So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set up the volume indicator. For the volume indicator I'm talking about looks like this. Let me just show you. Okay, so it looks like this, like it shows you like the price movements. It has got green and red bars. So this is the volume indicator. So I'm going to go back to my Metatrader 5. So what you need to do is, if you go to indicators, it has to be in volumes. You're going to find the indicator called volumes, but pay attention on what's going to happen. So when I click on volume and drag it to the chart, and I'm going to go with the default parameters and click OK, this is how it's showing. Okay, and this does not make sense. Like, why is it showing like this and instead of showing like this in a nice way where you can be able to see the price spikes? Well, there's actually a reason why we are saying this. Okay, and the reason you're going to find out soon. So let me go back to TradingView. So I've got this TradingView here for binary.com. So this is the best TradingView if you would like to analyze derivatives indices or even the currency pairs. Then this is the TradingView. So look what's going to happen. So I'm going to right click. Okay, I'm going to go to this one. So this is US Tech 100, which is also known as 100. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and add the volume indicator to this index. So pay attention to what's going to happen. So I'm going to click on indicators and I'm going to search for volume. So here's the volume indicator. When I click on it, you can see that there's nothing happening in the background, right? There's nothing. Let me try to search for another indicator. Maybe this one is not working. So for example, if I choose the net volume, okay, still nothing is happening. Okay, this chart is simply bug, it's just blank, nothing. Okay, let me try the other one. Okay, so I've been adding the same indicator, nothing is happening. So what's the reason? Why is this doing like this? Why is it not showing the volume? So let me head over to derivatives TradingView. That is why you'll be able to see the reason why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on indicators, then I'm going to search for volume. What have I done? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Indicators, then search for volume. Then I'm simply going to click on price volume trend. Okay, so let me try adding this one. So I've added the volume profile visibility range, but if I click here, okay, it's saying that the data vendor doesn't provide volume data for this symbol. Okay, so we now have got our reason. So the reason is simple why we're not able to use these volume indicators is because for these indicators they work with a vendor, so the broker has to provide this data for this data to show. Okay, it's not like some regular indicators that just calculate things and then they show. No, this one they get data from the broker, and this is why this indicator is not working. Even on Metatrader 5, it's not working because okay, the vendor is not providing this data, the broker is not providing this data. So even here, okay, the vendor is not providing any data for this symbol. So now if we'd like to use the volume indicator, you can use this for stocks. Yeah, a lot of stock vendors, they do provide this type of data if you're trading stocks, and some other currency pairs they do. But for now, this is not working. But there's an alternative way you can actually use volume. So if you're a student in my course and you're planning of using the volume indicator, I think here is the alternative. So I think the alternative you can use is, I think I'm going to go into oscillators. First, let me remove the volume indicator, delete. I think it has to be the MACD. Let's see it. Okay, you can use the MACD, but it does not show like the way it's supposed to show when it comes to volume. But you can work around it and make it work for you, but it's not the best. I think okay, let's try the volume indicators. I think the volume indicators will work best. Let us try on balance volume, although I've never used this. Okay, not so bad. Let's try the money flow index. Okay, this is the money flow index. I think I can work with the money flow index. Let's try the last one, which is accumulation distribution. So it's here on the last page. I think I'll go on with the on balance volume. Yeah, it looks easy, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I can just right click, indicator list, money flow, delete, accumulation, delete. Then I've remained with the OBV, which is the on balance volume. I think for now we can work with this one. Yeah, so I hope this video made sense. Okay, if you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now.